Hello, everyone. Is anyone there?
Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Only 3 students today, or your siblings are joining?
Yes.
Okay. So, did you try the project? Who all completed it? Eshed
Me.
completed it and Farida completed it. What about you,
Yes.
Phil?
Yes.
Okay. So you have completed your projects, right? So, we have to display a project, okay, once we complete the functions and everything, and we know how to use that, right? So today I'm going to explain you about how to create a project and explain it in the what? Do you know we will have a meeting at the last once you will finish your projects? In that you have to present your project. Okay. So we have to think of a project first of all. All right. So how many minutes we will require to ask our siblings to join soon? Zainab and Farhan. Farida, is Farhan joining?
He's trying to.
Okay.
What's the class code?
It's I have to check it. Wait.
Did you used to join?
It's I think 147 something. Checking it.
Not the same thing that you use.
Yes.
That
Okay, thank you.
I'm just searching for it.
Someone already put it in the chat for me.
Yes, I'm going to.
click on this one. That box. Click on this one. Maybe they will.
It's 1934077.
Thank you.
That's for Tinker.
Huh?
That's for Tinker.
That's disconnected now. What is the password?
That's your what?
That's the code for Tinker.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get.
Oh, okay.
Michelle, send it to you.
GH5.
That's not G, that's J.
JH5 DJ. Can you just read it to me when I type?
Ayun.
Take your laptop to that place and go and get this.
Small letter JH,
JH5
capital letter V, DJ, small letter DJSF,
DJSF
capital letter B, small letter MDP.
MVP.
So is Farhan trying to join? And did you get
Yes.
the solving part? Like, did you get the solution of what was not working yesterday?
No.
No solution. Did you check your Google account for that?
I'll try to join it again.
All right. So now shall we begin if everyone is here?
Also, I'll get this system ready before you.
What's happening with Farhan? What's the problem?
Can't join.
Can't join, why?
You can't join the class. Like, yeah.
Why? But
I don't know.
send him the class. Send him this now.
Nice. Are you sure this is this
The
is
invitation.
What about the just can you put the meeting ID in the chat just in case he's getting
Doing that.
he's putting the meeting ID in the chat.
Put the meeting ID is 860.
That's the one I missed.
I'm sending it. Wait.
Okay.
Okay. This is the meeting ID and the passcode.
The meeting ID is 860.
10.
Yes, 1010.
All right. So should we start now? While everyone else can join. And okay, Zainab joined already. Farhan also joined. Great. Okay. I can see Zainab. I can see Farhan also. Okay. Hello, Zainab. Hello, Farhan.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so I was talking about that. Today we are going to discuss about what kind of project we have to make. Okay, so each one of you have to use your creativity. You can make a game. You can make a project. Okay, according to your choice. Fine. Now, why we are making this project? Because we have to display our project and our learnings in the meeting when we are going to display the projects. Okay, that's called the
Okay.
convocation ceremony, or you can say the graduation ceremony. Okay, fine, that's clear.
Yes.
Okay, so everyone tell me your favorite movie, like one by one, put it in the chat. What's your favorite movie? What do you like to watch? Like you can watch that movie anytime, any day, like that. Hmm? My favorite movie is I have written my favorite movie also. Okay, The Little Mermaid, Wednesday, Turning Red. Okay. Crossover. What is crossover? I have not heard this name. I'm sorry for that, Zainab. Wednesday. Mia. What's Mia? Mia is also like a full form is, short form is Mia, or it's like Mia only? The movie name is Mia. These are some new movies which I'm hearing of. Okay, Wednesday I have Mia is the calendar. Okay. What is crossover? Okay, called Go. Movie is called Go. All right.
Is that
And I like that. What is that? Zootopia. Zootopia. That also is a very good movie. Okay, so what is the best thing in the movie which is your favorite? So for me, I'm explaining, like in Encanto, there are like how many of you have seen Encanto?
Me.
Everyone, I think so.
me?
Okay, so in that movie, everyone in the house was a magician except the girl, right? What was the name of the girl?
Mirabelle.
Mirabelle, right? So she was very sad that she couldn't open her door, right? The door cannot open for her. But she was very, she tried to work on it, and she thought, and her family also told her that magic is not in that door. Magic is within you, right? So the moment their house got disrupted and due to that candle and all, right? So that was all you can say that was all a destiny for Mirabelle to open her own door, right? Yeah. So that gave me an inspiration that I should do something, or I should do so much hard work that one day I can buy my own house, right? Buy my own house, which I can say that is my house, right?
Right.
So right now I'm sitting in my house. My house. Okay. So that movie gave me an inspiration to hard work, to do, keep working on whatever you have, because magic is within you, not outside. Right. So yeah, that was my inspiration from the movie. What about you, Eshat? What about you, Eshat?
My favorite part of the movie.
Yes, you have to tell about the movie and what was the best part of it.
I think there's two best parts. The first one is when Ursula's laughing, and the second one is when Ariel transforms into a human. I already said it. I said I liked when Ariel transformed into a human.
I was on mute and I was speaking, I was saying, what was your inspiration from that transition from the mermaid to the real human?
Um, I got inspired when Ariel didn't listen to her parents. I kind of saw how it looked when I didn't listen to my parents, and how she got disappointed when um Ursula tricked her, and she regretted not listening to her parents.
Right. Okay. So who's going next? Shall we take Michelle? Yeah, 1 minute, Farida. Just after Michelle. Is that okay? Yeah. Michelle? Michelle?
I was inspired to go to school.
Okay. So Mia is who? Mia in which movie? Go movie, right?
Yeah, she's the main character.
She's the main character. Okay. All right. And what about Farida?
Mine's in the chat.
No. Say it.
I like Wednesday because she didn't give up until she achieved her goal.
All right. And what was her goal?
To like stop all the bad guys.
Okay. All right. And what about Zainab? Zainab? Zainab. Hello. Miss Zainab, are you there?
Yes,
Yes. Please tell me.
I don't have one.
You don't have a favorite movie, Zainab?
I do, but I don't have a favorite part.
Okay. All right. So what about you, Farhan?
Um,
Yes, Farhan, I'm listening to you.
I like Wednesday because she is very hardworking and never gives up.
All right, great. So we all have some or the other thing uh, to get inspired from, right? So for our project also, we have to get inspired by the surroundings, or by the games which we play normally, or by the stories which we can see normally. Okay. So we have to brainstorm that why do we need the project, first of all. Whosoever is doing this, please don't do. Please erase it. It's distracting. Okay. So we have to learn together that why do we need the project? First thing. Second, what do we need in the project? What should be the message given to the viewers? Third, how are we going to make it? Okay, that contains the code, design, and the whole logic behind it. Okay. So this is called design thinking. Okay. We have to think in such a manner that we can design a product. Now, product is what? Our project. Is everyone on the same page? Please give me a thumbs up or just raise hand if you have any questions. Okay, great. So design thinking is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. First is empathize. We have to get the same emotions from a particular story or from a particular game, like the story of Wednesday. Okay, so you can empathize with the situation of Wednesday, right? What happened to her and why is she like that, right? What she thinks about, why is she thinking about that, how is she so focused on the goal? She did not get distracted, right? Am I right or am I wrong? I have not watched the Wednesday movie, but I have just seen the review.
Right.
Right.
She did not get distracted from anything, though the friends, though anyone. Okay, so we can get empathize with her and see that what we can focus on. We can focus on our project first. What kind of project we need? Okay, for a story, like for example, we are making a game. Okay, fine, we are making a game. What kind of game we are making? What kind of game we are making? We can make a chasing game. We can make a game from which we can use the arrow keys, right? We can make any kind of thing we want. So we can empathize that we are the person who are doing. Second is define. We could define the thing which we have thought. Okay, like you know everything. Okay, but you cannot define it, you cannot say, you cannot explain it. Then is there any profit in learning that or empathizing in it? I'm asking something. You have so much knowledge, but you cannot speak, you cannot explain. Is there any need of that knowledge?
No.
No.
I want some answers.
No.
Michelle, Jenna.
No.
Right. So when we cannot define something, our knowledge is of waste. Okay. So we should be able to define it. Next is implement. So we have to implement what we have empathized, what we have defined, we have to implement it. Okay. Then we have to ideate. Ideate means after implementation or before implementation, we have to see if our idea is working or not, or we can change the idea or not. Okay. Next is prototype. What do you mean by prototype? There is a frame of particular thing. Okay. So I can say there is a prototype of a value story. Okay, the value story is like there is a character, and then we have the character like that is very bad or something, and then some good person comes and then it changes its mind and gets into good deeds, and then finally it can do whatever it wanted to do. Okay. So prototype is kind of a protocol. Fine. or you can say the vision of the game or the story. All right. Now next is test. Test means they have to test what we have made. Is the thing working properly, not working properly? We have to change something, okay? And then this thing will go for infinity. This is the sign of infinity, right? So this can go for infinity until and unless we get a nice project. Everyone is clear with it?
Yeah.
Yes. Did you get a handout for this? You can check your mails. You must get a handout for it. Did you see it, Farida?
No, no,
Then why did you say this?
because you were saying if we understand it.
Okay, you understand. Okay, then it's okay. You understood it. You can
Yes.
check your mails. You can see your student notes. Okay. In that, you might get this. Check it and let
How
me
do you
know.
look at your student notes?
I think it could be on your parents' email, whatever is your registered email ID.
Okay.
You can get it over there. Fine. So now we have to think of the game and of maybe the game or the story or whatever. Okay. So I want you guys to create this particular picture in your notebook or in your paper or something. Okay. So empathy is learning about the audience whom you are designing to. Define, redefining and focus your questions based on your insights from an empathy stage.
Can we do it now?
Yeah, right now. We are doing it right away. Okay. Then brainstorming in ideating solutions. And then prototyping means representing one or more than more ideas to your maybe your siblings or someone. And then returning to the testing part. And this cycle goes on forever.
I have a question.
Yes.
Are we going to have a test?
This is not a test. Maybe in
No,
the
but
12th, I think in the 12th session, I might give you a object, like a multiple choice question test. Okay.
okay.
That will have everything which we have learned. Okay.
What?
What? Aishad, can you repeat it? What I said?
We're going to have a test, a multiple choice test in the 12th
Oh.
session with everything we learned.
Okay.
Yeah, it will be at the last. Like once you finish everything, then at the last session or maybe 10th or 12th session, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah. So this thing you have to draw on a piece of paper. Are you ready with it? Michelle, Eshan, Zainab?
I already screenshotted.
Screenshot won't work here. Screenshot is okay. You can take a screenshot, put it with you. Why I'm asking you to make it so that you can have that cycle in your brain when you are thinking of an idea. That's why. It will hardly take 5 minutes.
I
And
don't know how to screenshot.
give me 1 minute. I'll put my laptop on charge. Just hold.
What do we draw?
You can try drawing the empathy, define, ideate, prototype, test, and make the arrows. No need of writing these things, okay? For these, you can screenshot it.
Yeah.
I need it. There.
I don't believe you did that.
Okay, I'm back. Completed? So whosoever has completed it, they can give me a thumbs up so I can understand.
You have to write it, right?
You don't have to write the description of that. Just write the main points. Empathy, define. Okay. Where is Farhan? Farhan, are you there? I can't see him. Okay, so now it's the time to define your project. Michelle, Aishat, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Zainab, are you there? It's okay if your camera is off, everyone,
Yes.
no problem. But you should respond, okay?
I'm here.
But if your mic is off, your camera should not be off. Okay? Fine. So you have to define your project now. You don't have to define it to me. You have to define it to yourself. What kind of project you are going to make. Okay? What is your main idea? I'm giving you 5 minutes to decide that. And your time starts now.
To decide our whole project.
Yes. And don't share it to anyone. It should be as unique as you are. Okay? I know you guys are siblings, but you all are different as a human being. Your thinking is different. Your powers are different. Right? So think according to your brain, not to your sibling's brain. Okay, 2 minutes passed, 3 more minutes to go. Give me a thumbs up when you are done. And don't forget, you have to make the project in Tinker, not in Scratch. Okay? So think accordingly. 1 last minute. Who's done? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Farida is done. Michelle, are you done? Okay. Ashad, Farhan, Zainab. Okay, you are done.
I don't have many details, but I just know like an idea.
It's okay. It's all right. All right. Next, we have to do ideate. Ideate means we have to go through a creative process to design. Okay. How you will put the sprites, where are you going to put the sprites, what animations you are going to use from Tinker. Okay. So ideate means putting your idea now. Done. Should check your chat. Okay. Michelle, are you done? Zainab, are you done? Zainab, what happened to you? Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now you can take a screenshot of this picture, this slide. Okay. So you have to take care of these 6 things while you are making the project or you are thinking of a project. Farida, Michelle, Zainab, Farhan. Michelle, take a screenshot and show it to Aishat also. Zainab, if you can take it, please do that.
I already did.
Okay. Can anyone read it, please, for me and for everyone? Farida, can you please read it?
Okay. Will it be an animation or a game? What is it about? What is the problem statement you're trying to solve? What topic will you choose? And it must be developed in Tinker. Will you use images from the internet? What sprites will you use?
Perfect. Thank you. So now decide, and once you get decided, you can open your Tinker and try designing your project. Don't share the screens.
The designs. So we have to.
Once you solve all these questions, don't share the screen directly. Start the things. Okay, whosoever is done, give me a thumbs up. And if you have started doing something in Tinker, you give me a party popper. Zainab, do you want some help from me?
No. Are we supposed to be answering the questions?
Sorry?
Are we supposed to be answering the questions?
I cannot understand your
Like the questions on your screen.
what to do
Or
with that.
should we start our project?
Yeah, sure. You can start your project on Tinker. I have just shared it for Eshat. Is she back?
No.
All right. So I'll sorry. So I'll keep my screen shared. Okay. You keep on doing your work, but don't share your screens. Okay. Farhan, do you need my help? Farhan,
No.
are you on Tinker?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Michelle, Zainab, Farida, are you also on Tinker?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Is Ashad back? Michelle? Sorry, Farida, I unmuted you. Wait. Michelle, is Farida back? Sorry, not Farida. Ashad. Michelle, is
Yeah.
Ashad back?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Ashad, these are the 6 questions which we have to take care while we are making the project. Okay. You can take a screenshot of this. I've already asked Zainab and Michelle to take it and share it with you. But you also do it. Okay. And once you understand these 6 questions and you get the answer of them, you can go and tinker and start your project.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone wants my help?
No.
Okay. Don't be hesitant. Don't think that I'm going to judge you or judge your project. If you want any help, just ask for it. Okay? I'm there for you. I'm there to help you out. Shall I stop sharing? Ashad?
Yes.
All right. Are you on Tinker right now? Ashad,
No,
are
I
you
was
on
trying
Tinker?
to answer the questions.
Okay, all right.
Do you have to answer the questions?
For yourself. For making the project.
Okay.
So you could be clear on what you have to do. You don't literally have to give the answers in the chat. Okay. Don't get confused.
Okay.
And don't show your project to your siblings. To no one. That should be a secret between you and your project. What happened, Farida? You are looking tensed. Yes, Michelle, you need some help? You raised hand, right? Or just like that? Zainab, do you need my help?
No.
Okay. So now if you have got the things, okay? So you just have to tell me the project name and a little description, and don't send it to everyone, okay? Send it to personally, send it to me. Not to everyone,
Okay.
personally to me. Okay, Michelle, Farhan, personally to me, you have to select. It's written everyone, and you have to select my name and only send it to me, not to anyone else. Write the name and write the description, like what the game or the story will be about. Okay, Michelle, you can sit somewhere else. Okay, don't sit near her. I got only Ashad. Ashad's answer in the chat. Where is Farida, Farhan, Michelle, Zainab? Zainab, you don't need to copy anyone else's, okay?
I'm not.
Yeah, okay.
What's that sound on yours?
All right, Farida.
What?
I just read your message.
Okay.
What about Farhan, Michelle, Zainab? Zainab, I have explained the thing that first you have to define, then you have to empathize, then you have to ideate. So you have to follow those things and then you have to come to a particular answer. Okay. For every project, you cannot say, I don't know what to do. Please think of it. You have to explain, you have to explain your project in the convocation ceremony. So you have to do something on that. I cannot give you my ideas because that will be mine, not yours. So I can give you today's time and the whole week's time. I'm going to ask every one of you in the next class, okay? Farhan, Michelle, I did not get your answers. Are you still thinking, Michelle?
No, I'm working on it.
You're working on it? What about you, Farhan? Farhan?
I'm still thinking.
Okay. So Zainab and Farhan can tell me the things on Saturday. So their project should be done. Like 20% of that should be completed. Okay, everyone. Fine. It's okay, Zainab. You can think and you can tell me on Saturday. Next Saturday. Okay. Farhan and Zainab has to tell me on next Saturday what they are making and what they are doing. All right. And you should design, every one of you should design the project. At least design the sprites, the main sprite and the background. All right. Give me a thumbs up. Okay. So all the best everyone for the project, and we'll meet on Saturday. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.